Hi viewers, welcome to Rasamin Soy. Today I am going to explain to you how to make mambar sambar, that is ripe mango sambar. For that we need actually the mambar sambar mango, which is very small in size and especially used for that only, for making sambar. In our village we used to get this. Here in cities it is very difficult to get, but the Gawali vendors, they used to bring. If you go to the market you will get it. Today I had four those mangoes which is shown in the picture. Actually, I thought I had already posted the recipe, that's why I didn't shoot it today. So I'm explaining, and wherever it is possible I'll show you the ingredients. And this is the end product. This you can have it with rice, idli, dosa, etc. Since the mangoes were only 4 in quantity, I used Alfonso mango also. See here the mango pieces of these are the Alfonso mango pieces. The sambar mango, I have already squeezed the pulp and added to the sambar. Now I'll show you the other ingredients which are required for preparing this sambar. What you have to do is, you have to cut the mangoes like this and put it in water and cook them till it is soft, and squeeze the pulp out of this and keep it aside. Depending upon the sourness of the mango, you can add tamarind pulp. With tamarind pulp also you can make it, or without tamarind pulp also you can make this sambar. I didn't use the tamarind pulp today because it was a little bit sour in taste. The mangoes were not very sweet as I expected. For sambar masala, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, little bit, this much of mustard seeds, this much of cumin seeds, this much of fenugreek seeds, black pepper, urid, Kashmiri chili powder, mirchi, and onion. If you have shallots, the taste is more good, and the curry leaves, oil, hing powder, jaggery, salt, coconut. What we have to do is put 1 teaspoon of oil in the kadai, heat it up, then add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, chana dal, all the items like fenugreek, mustard, urid, black pepper, etc., chili, etc., and fry them. At last you put the fenugreek, cumin seeds, then coconut, grated coconut, curry leaves, fry them for a minute, and the onion also. If you are putting onion, fry for 2 minutes, then cool it and grind to a smooth paste, and add to the squeezed mango pulp. Add sufficient water according to the mango pulp. You have to add the water and bring to a boil with salt and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. I will give the detailed recipe in the description box. You can see that and prepare the mango sambar accordingly. Now this is the season, so that you can enjoy this dish. I will also give the description detailed links in the description box of Mambara Pulisheri, etc. You can check that also. Bring this to boil and then put the tempering. For tempering you need mustard seeds and curry leaves and hing powder. So your mango sambar, after bringing to a boil, this is the consistency of the mango sambar. If you are using the sambar powder, then you can boil dal and put it, 1/3 cup of dal you can boil and put it in the sambar. Then you don't have to fry the masalas and grind and add to the sambar. Choice is yours. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. I'm sorry if I'm preparing the sambar again. I will repost the full recipe. But since the mango season will get over soon, so before that you can try this. And if you have mango pulp, with that also you can make this sambar. And garnish with coriander leaves. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.